Welcome to this MachineBuilder design guide on wheeled structures. Use these steps to convert static workstations, robot pedestals, and more into mobile assemblies. The first step is to select the wheel placement. For stability and even weight distribution, it's recommended to place the wheels as close to the extreme edges of the structure's base as possible. If the structure supports a heavy load, consider adding extra wheels to minimize extrusion deflection and prevent buckling of the wheels or frame. Refer to the deflection guide for deflection estimates based on extrusion type and load. The second step is to select the wheel type. The wheel type should be selected based on the application and total load capacity of the assembly. All wheels can be found under the Wheels section of the parts library. The available wheel types include swiveling casters for high maneuverability, fixed casters for straight line movement, lockable casters for added stability when stationary, and leveling casters for adjustable height and stability. To check a wheel's load-bearing capacity, right-click on the part and select Part Properties. The required information will be displayed in the window on the right. After selecting the caster, the final step is to attach them to the structure. The first way is by using wheel plates, which is the recommended method. Select the wheel plate that matches your chosen wheel and attach it at each point you plan on placing a wheel at the base of your structure. When attaching a wheel plate to your structure, you want to make sure that you are supporting the plate in both the X and Y orientations, if possible. If attaching it in only one orientation, ensure that the plate is centered on the extrusion. If using a stem caster, secure it using the 45 by 90 mm accessory mounting plate, which can be found under the frame accessories. With the wheel plates attached, you can attach your wheels. The second method to attach wheels is by direct attachment. Wheels can be attached directly to your Vention assembly without wheel plates, however, this results in a weaker connection. Simply select the wheel you would like to use and attach it to the base of your structure using the standard methods. This attachment method should be used only if at least 3 of the 4 mounting holes align with your structure. If only 2 holes align, use a wheel mounting plate instead. And finally, stem casters can be threaded directly into the vertically oriented ends of extrusions.